At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a ghee business can be a rewarding venture, especially if you're passionate about providing a high-quality product to your customers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market and competition. Analyze factors such as demographics, purchasing behavior, and preferences regarding ghee products. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, product offerings, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal requirements. Research the legal requirements for starting a food business in your area. This may include obtaining permits, licenses, and complying with health and safety regulations. 4. Source quality ingredients. Invest in sourcing high-quality ingredients for your ghee production. Ensure that your ingredients meet safety standards and are sourced from reliable suppliers. 5. Production facility. Set up a production facility that meets hygiene and safety standards. Depending on your scale, you may start small-scale production from your kitchen or rent a commercial kitchen space. 6. Production process. Develop a standardized production process for making ghee. Experiment with different methods to achieve the desired flavor and quality. 7. Packaging. Invest in attractive and functional packaging for your ghee products. The packaging should reflect the quality of your product and appeal to your target market. 8. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity for your ghee business. Create a compelling brand story and design a logo and packaging that resonate with your target audience. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, websites, and local events to promote your products. 9. Distribution. Decide on your distribution channels, whether you'll sell directly to consumers through farmers markets, online platforms, or retail stores, or distribute through wholesalers and distributors. 10. Quality control. Implement stringent quality control measures to ensure that your ghee meets high standards of quality and consistency. Regularly test your products for taste, texture, and safety. 11. Customer feedback. Encourage customer feedback and reviews to continuously improve your products and services. Engage with your customers through social media, surveys, and customer service channels. 12. Scaling up. As your business grows, consider scaling up your production capacity, expanding your product line, and exploring new markets to maximize your business's potential. Starting a ghee business requires dedication, hard work, and attention to detail, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.